In this video, I'll show you how to make a hairstyling gel at home using fresh aloe vera gel. This gel that we will be making is not for skincare, but specifically for hairstyling. Let's begin by preparing the aloe vera leaves. Start by cleaning them thoroughly, and then use a knife to trim off the sharp edges. Be careful as the edges of the aloe vera leaf can be quite pricky. Take your time to ensure they are completely removed. Once that is done, extract the gel from inside the leaf. Use a spoon or any blunt tool to avoid scraping the inner part of the rind, as it contains aloin, a yellow latex that can discolor and cloud the gel. After extracting the gel, cut it into smaller pieces to make blending easier. Give the pieces a good rinse to remove any remaining rind or latex. Next, transfer the gel to a blender and blend it until smooth. Once the gel is smooth, strain it to remove any pulp or residue that could make the gel look cloudy or less transparent. You'll also want to avoid any pulp getting into your hair. If it dries in your hair, it can resemble dandruff, which is definitely not the look we're going for. Use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth for this step. Pour the blended gel into the strainer and press out all the liquid. If you notice any foam forming on top, you can either scoop it off or let it settle. It will disappear on its own after a while. Now you have your basic liquefied aloe vera gel. The next step is to add the carbomer to the aloe vera gel and let it sit for a few hours to fully swell. Carbomer is a synthetic polymer that swells when mixed with liquid, turning thin solutions into thick, stable gels. After a few hours, you'll see that the carbomer is fully dissolved, but the gel may still not be thick enough. That's because carbomer thickens best at a pH range of 5.5 to 7. To adjust the pH, add triethanolamine. If you don't have triethanolamine, you can use a sodium hydroxide solution as an alternative. In a separate bowl, dissolve polyvinylpyrrolidone in distilled water. Polyvinylpyrrolidone is a slightly off-white powder, water-soluble polymer widely used in medicine, cosmetics, and other industries. It acts as a stabilizer and film former in haircare products, providing a strong hold and structure to your hairstyle. It also gives your hair a shiny, glossy appearance. Once fully dissolved, you'll notice the solution becomes transparent. Next, add it to the aloe vera gel. The gel may look cloudy at first, but it will clear up after a few minutes. Now the gel is ready to use. You'll notice that it has a smooth, slightly thick consistency, perfect for hairstyling. For this regular strength hair gel, I use 5% polyvinylpyrrolidone. It will hold your style in place without feeling stiff or sticky, and it has a nice shine that gives your hair a healthy, glossy look. You can increase the strength up to 10% depending on your preference. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. This is Danny, and I will see you in the next video.